The first time that you talk to her, you can easily figure out that she's so passionate about her research. She loves what she's doing.
She has a very almost intuitive ability to bridge the application with the physics, the theory, see the connections with the experiment, and try to bring all of this together in a very meaningful way.
The work that she's done in looking at particulate in microorganism flows, very low Reynolds numbers flows in density stratified fluids, also looking at viscoelastic effects.
The ability to essentially do high quality work that not only makes it into prestigious publications, but ultimately can translate to applications that matter for people's life.
Fantastic research, all around amazing team player. She's collegial.
To collaborate and willing to think in terms of the whole school, and I really value those kinds of attributes she brings.
She's so caring, she's so understanding. Like as a PhD student, you always have ups and downs during a PhD, but you can openly talk to her, share your problems with her, and if she can help you, she does her best.
She's a good teacher. She's been very involved in service activities. We're fortunate to have her here.